And shorthand?
At 9.
So what will be the time?
Quarter past 9.
Very good. So it is 9:15, and in another way, what you can say?
Quarter past. QUA.
In number form, how you will say? What is the time? Yes, in another way, what can you say?
Quarter.
9 is okay, fine. It's 15 minutes past 9. In another way, what can you say? Is it 9:30, 9:45, 9:15? What is the time?
Ma'am, 9:30.
No, it's 9:15 because your long hand is at 3, 5 and 5 threes are how much? 15, and it is 15 minutes past 9. So time will be 9:15. You say 9:30 when your long hand is at 6. Okay, Dhriti? So time is 9:15. Children, start writing. This is 9:15. You have to write answers in both the ways. So this is 9:15, or you can say 9:15. Okay. Now, Akshaj. Akshaj.
Nani? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Akshaj, next bit number F.
Ma'am?
Akshaj, next question, please.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Akshaj, next question.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Your voice is very low. Next question. Happened.
Yes, Akshaj.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me where is.
ma'am, every time it say the answer.
Akshaj, please tell me what is the answer for next bit.
Okay, ma'am. 11:45.
And in quarter form?
I already wrote it yesterday.
And in quarter?
Ma'am?
In quarter form, what is the time?
11. Quarter.
Quarter to or quarter past?
Quarter to, ma'am.
Quarter to which number? Quarter to 11 or quarter to 12?
Quarter to 11.
It will be quarter to 12. See, children, in the sixth bit, time will be 11:45. That's correct. Because your long hand is at 9 and it has moved little after 11, right? So it is 11:45 and it is about to reach number 12. So time will be quarter to 12. That is 15 minutes before 12. So you will write here in the fifth bit, you will write here. Quarter to 12 or 11:45. Okay. This is quarter to 12, or you can write it as 11:45. Now next. Ashrit. Supratik, unmute yourself. Supratik, please unmute yourself. Supratik, please unmute yourself. Yeah, Supratik, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Supratik, next question. Bit G.
G.
Where is long hand?
Ma'am, long-handed 6.
Okay, and short hand?
10, ma'am.
No. Short hand is between which two numbers?
9:30, ma'am.
Yeah. Time is 9:30, and in half past form, what we can say?
9:30, ma'am.
In another way, in half past form, what you will say? Half past 9 or half past 10?
Half past 10, ma'am.
No, it will be half past 9. Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Still you are unable to
Ma'am,
see the screen?
what is time? I can't see, ma'am.
Wait, Adya, there is some network issue.
I can see, can't see.
Huh? Now, Adya? Now are you able to see?
9:30 time?
Yeah, it's half past 9 or 9:30.
9:30, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Fine. Now next question, that is bit H. AVK Ganesh, what is the time? 8th question, bit H. AVK Ganesh. AVK Ganesh, tell me what is the time in next clock? Bit number H. Huh? What is the time in the next clock? H bit. Yeah, time is 1 o'clock. So we'll write. Very good. Children, here in next question, your long hand is exactly on 12 and your short hand is exactly at 1. So this is 1 o'clock time. You'll write it as 1 o'clock. And in another way, you can write it as 1 colon 0 0. So, and remember this thing that you have to write time in both the ways. It is 1 o'clock, or you can write it as 1 colon 0 0. Okay. Now next question, last one. CA Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in the next clock, last clock, where is shorthand and where is longhand?
Shorthand is in 2. Shorthand it's 2
And long?
and long it's 3.
Okay, longhand is at 3 and shorthand is at 2. So what will be the time?
2:15.
Very good. Time is 2:15. And in quarter form, how we can write it?
Quarter past 2.
Quarter? Quarter past or quarter 2?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quarter past 2.
Past 2.
Quarter past 2.
Are we audible to you?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, good. That's the right answer. This is quarter past 2.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Quarter past 2.
no, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, ma'am, actually weather is not good here. That's the reason there is some network issue today. Okay, Shreyan, I have...
Yeah, that's it, ma'am. Actually, my question is whether we are audible to you because your voice is breaking.
No, you
So
are
that's why I
audible.
asked you.
Yeah, you are
That's
audible.
it, ma'am. He just told the answer.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You just say the answer.
So this is quarter past 2. And in another way, you can write it as 2 colon. Yeah, children, answer for last bit is quarter past 2. Or in another way, you can write it as 2:15, 2:15, okay? Now do one thing, open page number 2727 of your math course book. Open page number 2727. Write date and class work on page number 27. Quickly. Please open page number 2727 of your math course book. Write date and class work on page number 27. Children, please open page number 2727 of your math course book. Write date and class work on page number 27. This is page number 27 of your math course book. Okay. So for this, first of all, you should know that how many weeks are there in a month. Okay. How many days are there in a week? How many months are there in a year? How many days are there in a year? Okay. Yes, Supratik. Supratik, you need to unmute yourself if you want to say something. Yes, Supratik, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have finished that, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If you have completed, very good. Okay. Lohit, you tell me how many days are there in a week? In 1 week, how many days are there?
How many?
How many days are
Ma'am,
there?
that your
Huh?
voice is talking, ma'am.
Lohit, how many days are there in a week?
More than
1 week is equal to how many days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, count and tell me how many are there.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
How many days?
How many?
7.
Yes, so 1 week is equal to 7 days, or we can say that there are 7 days in a week. Okay. Now, who can tell me how many weeks are there in 1 month? How many weeks are there in 1 month? Who can tell me? Anyone? Yes, Devansh. Yeah, Devansh.
And that is 4 years.
Weeks.
Weeks, sorry, ma'am, weeks.
How many weeks in a
4 weeks, ma'am.
4 weeks in 1 month?
4.
Very good. That's correct. Okay, children, you can lower your hands now. Very good. So, children, remember this thing that there are 4 weeks in 1 month. There are 4 weeks in 1 month, and there are 7 days in a week. 1 week is equal to 7 days, or you can say there are 4 months in a week. Okay. Okay, now tell me how many days are there in a year? Who can tell me? How many days are there in a year? Yes, Aaron. Yes, Aaron.
Ma'am, 365 days.
Okay, and in a leap year?
365.
In a leap year.
366 days.
Very good. So in a normal year, there are 365 days, and in a leap year, there are 366 days. Okay, fine. Yes, remaining children, you can lower your hands now. Pathan and Shreyas, you can lower your hands now. Shreyas, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, now how many days are there in a month? In 1 month, how many days are there? Yes, Misbah, how many days in a month?
Ma'am, 30 or 31.
Very good. There are either 30 or 31 days in 1 month, and February is exception. It's an exceptional case. In the month of February, we have either 28 or 29 days. So whenever we have 29 days in the month of February, that year is called leap year. Otherwise, in a normal year, we have 28 days in the month of February, and remaining months have either 30 or 31 days in it. Yes, Supratik. Supratik, yeah. Is there
31 days, ma'am.
I already got the answer. Okay, that 30 or 31. Fine. Okay. So with this, we'll start this next question. That is question number 4. So first is Aditya's grandparents visited him for 10 days. 10 days is dash 1 week. So they said that there is one boy Aditya, his grandparents visited him for 10 days. So now we have to tell that 10 days is more than 1 week or less than 1 week. We know that there are 7 days in 1 week, and Aditya's Okay, Supratik, now no need to use raise hand option. Okay, I'll ask one by one. Yeah. And we know that there are 7 days in 1 week. There are 7 days in 1 week, and Aditya's grandparents visited him for 10 days. So we know that 10 is more than 7. 10 is more than 7. So this is 10 days is more than 1 week. We'll write here more than. Okay. Now next question. Second bit. Sania went for a summer camp of 3 weeks. Summer camp of 3 weeks. Now the question is 3 weeks is dash than 1 month. Now first of all, if we want to compare 3 weeks with 1 month, we should know how many weeks are there in 1 month. Right? Shreyas?
गैस प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है अभी मेरे घर में गैस नहीं है पकड़ने के लिए अभी
Shreyas, am I audible to you? Shreyas, wow. Shreyas is busy somewhere else. Ashwita?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwita, you tell me how many weeks are there in 1 month?
4, ma'am.
Very good. There are 4 weeks in 1 month. So tell me 3 weeks is 3 weeks is more or 4 weeks is more? Okay, tell me which
4
number
ma'am.
is greater, 3 or 4?
4, ma'am.
4 is greater than 3. So this means 4 weeks are more than 3 weeks. Right? So
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
write in second bit? Yes, children. They said that Sania went for a summer camp of 3 weeks. So 3 weeks is less than. We'll write in the second bit less than 1 month because there are 4 weeks in 1 month. Yes, Devansh?
Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
Yes, Devansh, you can go. Okay. Now next, that is bit C. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
read next question. Bit C. Ankit's father.
Ankit's father lives in Delhi from 31 days. 31 days is dash 1 month.
Okay, so his father, Ankit's father lived in Delhi for 31 days. And how many days are there in 1 month, Adya?
1 month, 7 days.
1 month, 7 days. Okay, and in 1 week, how many days?
7 days, ma'am.
Okay, so in 1 week there are 7 days, and in 1 month also there are 7 days, right, Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, Adya. And you are saying yes, ma'am. Listen, what to do? Tanishka, you tell me how many days are there in 1 month? Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
how many days are there in 1 month?
More than 1 month, ma'am.
I am asking you how many days are there in 1 month? How many days in 1 month? 1 month is equal to how many days? Tanishka, when other children were giving the answers, you were not at all listening, huh? Yes, Kushika?
31 days, ma'am.
30 or 31 days. So you tell me, if Ankit's father lived in Delhi for 31 days, then 31 days is more than 1 month, less than 1 month, or same as 1 month?
Same as 1 month. More than 1 month, ma'am.
No. See, children, we don't know. See, listen. We cannot say more than and we cannot say less than also. Why? The reason is we don't know which month they are talking about. They are talking about January, they are talking about February, they are talking about March, April. They have not mentioned the month. They have not mentioned the month name, so we don't know they are talking about which month. But we'll we generally we'll take it as except February, we can take any month. Okay, so they said that 31 days, so we will write there the same as. Okay, we will not write here less than, we will not write here more than. Here we'll write the same as, because we don't know they are talking about which month, but we will not take it as January. Sorry, we will not take it as February month. Okay, so in the third bit, we'll write here the same as. The same as. Dhriti Reddy, please read next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I think there is no network issue. Dhriti, my voice is stuck in between, or is it clear?
Now it's breaking, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, Dhriti, if you are able to listen, then please read question number 4, bit D.
Okay, ma'am. Rehan's friends live in house for 6 weeks.
So Rehan's friend lived in his house for 6 weeks. Then 6 weeks is dash than 1 month. 6 weeks is more than 1 month or less than 1 month or same?
6 weeks. Ma'am.
How many
More
weeks?
than, ma'am.
Yes, there are there are 4 weeks in 1 month, right? So 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. But they said Rehan's friend lived in his house for 6 weeks. So 6 weeks is more than 4 weeks. So we'll write here more than 1 month. More than. We'll write here more than. Okay. Now last question. Hanvika, read last question.
Ma'am, your voice is stucking, ma'am.
Hanvika, please read last question, question number 5.
Okay, ma'am. Samir was sick for 5 days. 5 days is just 1 week.
So, how many days are there in 1 week?
Ma'am?
How many days are there in 1 week?
8, ma'am.
8. Very good. So, Hanvika, count Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
How many? 8 or 7?
7, ma'am.
Then why did you say 8? So there are 7 days in 1 week, and they said he was sick for 5 days. So 5 days is more than 1 week or less than 1 week?
Less, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll write less than in the last bit. And children, please write correct spelling. Less than 1 week. Okay. Now listen carefully, children. There is one important announcement for you all. First of all, you all have to complete your portfolio work. I have attached portfolio sheets on last Saturday. You can check in MCB. I have attached all the portfolio sheets for theme 4. So you have to complete and submit your portfolio